How to see recently viewed reels on Instagram. If you saw a reel and want to find it again, but you don't remember the account or details, there are two main ways to try and locate it. First, if you haven't closed Instagram, you can simply scroll back through the Reels feed. Open the Instagram app, tap on Reels at the bottom, and start swiping down. If it was one of the last few Reels you watched, you should be able to find it. But if too much time has passed or you've closed the app, this method won't work. The second method depends on whether you interacted with the reel. If you liked or commented on it, you can find it in your activity history. Tap on your profile, then tap the three lines in the top right corner and go to your activity. From there, tap Likes. If you liked the reel, it will show up here and you can watch it again. Since Instagram doesn't have a full watch history for Reels, it's a good idea to like or save any Reels you want to revisit later. That way, you'll always be able to find them in your activity. That's how to see recently viewed Reels on Instagram.